U.S. economy shrank at an annual rate of 6.7% in the final quarter of last year, according to the U.S. Commerce Department. The figure is much steeper than 3.8%. The 0% decline in the third quarter. That's the latest news update on CRI. News and reports continues after a short break.
This March, the world turns its attention to Beijing as China convenes the annual meetings of its top legislature and its top advisory body. CRI put a question to our listeners.
These two can capacitors have been gutted out, and there are brand new 10 microfarad 450 volt caps inside them. As a safety, I have a 100-watt light bulb in series with this radio in case something were to catastrophically short out. And the radio is operating fine on a reduced line voltage, which is probably better for it.
CRI will touch on these topics and many others with our first-hand and in-depth reports from across China. As of migrant workers and defense sectors will be covered by CRI reporters in Beijing, Youngstown.
Shortwave is working good around 9-10 megahertz.
And actually, of course, God created us.
Let the debt go away. Become debt-free in 90 days, guaranteed. Call Debt Crisis right now for a free consultation at 718-615-0123. That's 718-615-0123. Or visit them online at debtcrisissolutions.com. That's debtcrisissolutions.com today.
Aging doesn't only show in your face, but it can be felt in your body.
You feel tired, your joints and muscles ache, and your mind seems clouded and forgetful.
It's time to stop the aging clock with a proven system brought to you by NutriMedical.com. Anti-Age Max, revolutionary formula to turn...
Economic and trade firm cover products ranging from software to electric equipment and
这是主要是为了优化和调整出口商品的结构。中国严格控制高污染、高能耗和资源性商品的出口政策没有改变，同时政策提高部分商品的出口退税率。